With the IVo Steam machines for the floor cleaning, you may have noticed on our floor cleaning video where we were cleaning this non-slip surface, we used a floor tool here. Now this is quite a unique floor tool. It has a brush section here, but it also has the interchangeable section at the top here. Now these are very simply changed by sliding the two clasps on the back end here of the head, and it simply pulls out. Now this is a squeegee attachment which we used on our floor demonstration, which is brilliant for vacuuming up. The squeegee really does pick up the water well, but if you discover you need a bit more scrubbing, then we also have the brush attachment. This very simply slides in and clips into place. That means you've now got 3 rows of brushes for really giving that extra scrub where you need it. Also pretty effective at vacuuming, just slightly less so than the squeegee attachment. We've also got, as a third attachment, the one for carpet. Now this is an attachment which can be used very effectively for cleaning and sanitizing carpets, and it doesn't create any extra friction, so it's much easier on the user than trying to use either the brush or the squeegee attachment. Thanks for watching today. I'm sure you'd love a demo. If you would, just let us know. We'll bring the machine along and you can try it for yourselves.